What's up, guys? Welcome to the Autosport Detailing channel. Today we are going to go through this beautiful RS6, getting full correction, protection, and ceramic coating. So everybody always wants to know what we do to get this result. Super hydrophobic, semi-scratch resistant, self-cleaning properties, all the benefits of a super protective coating, a sacrificial layer. Well, it starts in the wash. We do a full wash and prep, a decon wash, a clay bar, and then we inspect the paint in our shop under the lights to see what level of correction or enhancements necessary to make the paint look its absolute best. We do not want to seal in the defects. We want to perfect the finish and then apply our coatings. So this one got full correction, and then we get to start applying the coating. In this particular case, we're doing a 10-year, which is 5 layers of ceramic going on the vehicle. And you can see we just go around and really lightly wipe on the coating. We let it flash and then we buff it off. We also can apply this coating to the brake calipers. This is one that's been done. Looks beautiful. Makes the brake dust not stick, keeps them red and shiny. It's great protectant. Here's the application. And here we are doing a wheel. Wheels come off the car. We do the wheel faces and the barrels of the wheels. So you're really going to get a great result of protection from brake dust, road dirt, and grime. It's going to make regular maintenance so much easier. Mind you, every step of the way, guys, we're using brand new pads, brand new towels, very detailed process. You know, people are blown away by how many towels and pads we go through. And our finishing towels, we break out a new one every single step. Those are a $10 towel. We're not talking about your, home supply store towels. These are dedicated, high quality, super soft towels. So with these wheels, we're applying the coating. We let it sit for about a minute, and then we're going to level and then eventually buff off of the coating. We want to make sure that we don't leave any residual high spots left over. And if you do, it creates a blemish that's just really difficult to fix. So it's much easier and better to just do it right the first time. But these great wheel stand allows us to get the wheel off, work at a comfortable height. We're spinning the wheel so that we can get all the angles and crevices. And then here's our final buff off, making sure there's no high spots left. A lot of detail involved here. Hope you guys are enjoying watching our guy Chris get after it. Here's the inside of the wheel. We're going to get a close-up shot in a second. You can see that amount of coating that's going on. This is a thick coating. It's designed specifically for wheels and calipers. And so we apply this again, let it sit for about a minute, and then we're going to level and buff it off. Optionally, we can do multiple layers as well of the coating using our IR lights to heat the coating in between. We can put on multiple coats if the customer wants to for even more protection. And here's what you get when we're done. This car is outside. Beautiful day for this to see. Got some light clouds, beautiful blue color, matches the sky. The spec on this car is amazing with those carbon fiber bits, and the red calipers really pop with the dark blue and the open spoked wheel design. Lots of reflection, lots of gloss. This customer is going to be stoked. And customers always say, they love the initial result, but they're washing the car months or years later and still blown away about how much easier it is to wash your vehicle. The washing and drying process is literally cut in half. Also, the frequency, I find, is a lot less often. The dust blows off when you're driving down the road. When it does rain and your vehicle's outside, it's washing a lot of the dirt and grime off. And then when you actually do get to washing the vehicle, it's so much easier. The mitts just slide across the surface. The dirt doesn't stick. Instead of grinding in and creating marks and scratches, the whole process is so much easier. This one also got paint protection film across the front clip and the lower rocker panels. So what that's going to do is offer another level of rock chip protection. So flying stones and debris, the little stuff that just wears out the front of the car is going to bounce right off. And the film is just a great sacrificial layer. It is replaceable, so when it does get damaged, it's pretty easy to peel it off and apply new pieces as needed. Generally lasts a really long time. And look at this thing. The shine, gloss, depth is incredible. You can really see as the sun just dipped behind a cloud here, and it's getting a totally different light. Just love the way this car looks. I wish I could say it was mine. This thing is killer. Some snowboards on the roof heading to Tahoe. This would be ultimate setup for protection to do that with this particular car. Tons of gloss, tons of shine. Well, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and give us a call to get your new vehicle scheduled. We're happy to get you in and give you all your options. We've got coatings from 2 years, 5 years, and 10 years. Paint protection film. We've got a matte protection film. We can apply this on all the exterior of your car. Give us a call and let's get you scheduled. Have a great one.